Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Ninja, the martial arts cat, is sleeping right now in her bed just at my feet. Don't disturb the monster. So, today we're going to do kind of a final touch-up on my front RV door. Now, for non-RVers out there or baby newbies, the front RV door is actually where you enter and exit from your RV while you're living in it. It's basically on mine the same side as the passenger door, so it's really on the side, but we call it the front door. RV Country in Belmont, Arizona, just west of Flagstaff, did a pretty awesome job getting it much better lined up. They put a couple of screws on the bottom plate, bringing it down, holding it from pulling up. But what we did today is my friend did a little grinding, and you'll see that in the video. And on the bottom of the door, there's actually two plastic kind of triangle guides that were in there, and the bottom one was hitting pretty good up against the bottom plate. And so in this video, it doesn't show you exactly, but you see them unscrewing the two little stoppers, and we removed one, and you'll see the end result. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if it helps you, give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to share it with anyone. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It definitely helps the channel. So to make the door close a little bit better, it's not doing too bad. Opening it, still getting stuck a little bit. So this goes down. It's down as far as I can go. So my friend's gonna do a little grinding here. Oh, a little cutting I see. And away we go.
Don't try this at home.
For dancing.
Now we're just gonna need something to pull that off with. Maybe a set of pliers.
So I'll show you the close-up, but it's getting hung up on the bottom. Right, let's see, right there. So we hammered that down, but now we're taking a look at the rubber stopper that's actually hitting. The only thing kind of keeping the door from closing like butter. So you can see we cut out that a little bit, and that's just the guide, and this is the lock, and I think up here too. So you can see now the guides won't be hitting. This will go in nice and perfect, and same with the deadbolt. Perfect.